If you're looking for a powerful new AI tool to boost your productivity, FirePrep AI is the one you need to know about. It's just been released, and there are 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know before diving in. Whether you're a digital marketer, a business owner, or just someone curious about AI software, this is one you should check out. First off, FirePrep AI is designed to help you prepare for any scenario with intelligent automation. It's an all-in-one platform for streamlining your workflows and increasing efficiency. The software's primary focus is on automating repetitive tasks that typically take up so much of your time. Whether you're preparing content, managing projects, or handling customer data, FirePrep AI can simplify it all with minimal effort. Another game-changing feature is its adaptive learning algorithm. This is one of the standout capabilities. As FirePrep AI learns from your input and optimizes processes for you, the more you use it, the smarter it gets, helping you refine your workflow and reduce errors. It's like having a personal assistant that gets better the more you work with it. Now, when it comes to integration, FirePrep AI shines. It connects seamlessly with popular software tools like Google Workspace, Slack, and Microsoft Office. This allows you to maintain your current processes while adding the AI-powered efficiency that FirePrep brings. The integration is super smooth, making it ideal for teams that rely on a variety of platforms but need them all working together. Speaking of teams, FirePrep AI is particularly strong in collaboration. Its cloud-based design means that teams can work together in real time, sharing insights, ideas, and project updates without any hassle. If you're working with remote teams or managing a business, this feature is invaluable. One thing I really like about FirePrep AI is its user-friendly interface. I've tried a lot of AI tools that come with steep learning curves, but this one is designed to be intuitive right from the start. You can quickly get up to speed without a ton of training. Even if you're new to AI, you'll be able to make the most of its capabilities in no time. Now here's something that's really exciting. FirePrep AI also offers a unique customization feature. You can tailor the platform to meet your specific business needs. Whether you're working in marketing, finance, or customer service, you can adjust settings and workflows to suit your industry. This makes it a versatile tool that's applicable across a wide range of use cases. And of course, the pricing is something worth mentioning. FirePrep AI is accessible for most businesses, with flexible plans that allow you to scale as needed. You won't be locked into a rigid pricing structure, which is a huge plus for small businesses or startups that are looking to experiment with AI without breaking the bank. Finally, FirePrep AI is available to try completely free through the first link in the description below. I highly recommend checking it out to see for yourself how it can streamline your workflow and save you hours every week. After trying thousands of AI tools, I can confidently say FirePrep AI is one of the most promising new releases in the space. Before you go, be sure to check out my recommended AI tools in the description below, all of which you can try for free. These tools have been tested extensively, and I'm confident you'll find something that suits your needs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.